Hi and welcome back to It's Erin. Today I'm in the Czech Republic. I'm at this amazing aircraft park in Zruc, which is about an hour from Prague. But anyways, there's all these aircrafts here, and because I love airplanes so bad, I had to do a video here. This man named Karel, I believe he used to be an aircraft mechanic, he collects all these planes in his yard. And I'm not joking just small planes, I'm joking. There's even a Canadian aircraft plane here. I just love coming to this place and think it's great. I mean, which guy do you know in the world that collects airplanes in his yard? Anyways, apparently this is very famous in Europe, this place. I guess a lot of pilots know about this place. But anyways, I had to make a video because I think it's absolutely fantastic that Karel, this guy, totally collects all these planes. It's only about 100 kroners to get in, which is I think $5 maybe. But I mean, it's great. You can climb in the planes and everything. You're just gonna love this one. It's great. If you love planes, love traveling like I do, I've got to show you this, okay? I mean, how cool is this place? Get to walk around. I gotta find out how many planes he's got here, but I mean, it's unbelievable, this place. Unbelievable. I think this place is great, and if you love airplanes, you love traveling, and you're ever in the Czech Republic or near Prague, I definitely recommend coming and checking out the Zruc airport. It was great. Anyways, thanks for watching this one today, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again. Thank you. Bye. Tak ciao.